Hello, my name's Alex, and today we'll be talking about the drum kit. So this is intended for people who may be musicians themselves, but in a pinch might have to work with the drummer, and might not know exactly how the drum kit works within the context of contemporary music. So the drum kit, this one in particular, is a 5-piece kit, although that's not always standard. Every drum kit's unique, really. But the 5-piece means it's got 5 drums to it, including a snare drum, and going down high tom, mid tom, and floor tom, and a kick drum, which is operated by the feet. This one has a ride cymbal and 2 crashes. Okay, so the drum kit's an unpitched percussion instrument, which means it's different from a xylophone or a glockenspiel. It doesn't produce notes, essentially. It consists of, as we've established, different percussion instruments that form the kit. The drummer will use this toolkit to construct beats and grooves and fills. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate some very basic 4/4 beats and some very basic 4/4 fills. I've chosen these from an exercise book that I quite like, just to illustrate what the drums can do at the basic level, rather than just diving into the deep end straight away. So I'm going to play these for you now. Alright, this is exercise 9.1 and exercise 9.2. Okay, so now that I've shown you 4/4 beats and fills, I'm now going to show you shuffle patterns and swing patterns and how they work. Okay, and now we're going to demonstrate a swing pattern. I'm now going to demonstrate a very basic 6/8 beat. So that was my introduction to the drum kit for the musician. I really wanted to illustrate how the drum kit works in practice so that composers, arrangers, and band leaders, whoever else needs it, can get a sense of how the kit works and can hopefully make working with a drummer a little bit easier for those who might not have done so before. I thought this video would be worth making, as the drum kit is a unique instrument with a unique role and its own notation system, and my idea is to just lay out very plainly what the drum kit does and how the drummer uses it to fulfill his or her role within the ensemble. So thank you very much for watching.